It looks like the gib on here on the tail end is about 1/8 of an inch out. I really don't know how this comes apart. I can see how this comes apart with nuts and stuff. I can't get the screws topside loose. Maybe if I clean it off on the bottom here. Because that up there is the screw that on the top side. It looks like it's sort of melded together. Those other two screws are from underneath, it appears like. All right, that the clamp seems to be, that comes out from the outside. Those are two different size holes. That comes off with a drive pin, so it gets pulled off. Looks like it has an oiler on the top side. That might come off. Let me try that. I see a screw there.